guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today's video will be all about cleaning. So yeah, I'm going to share with you all my cleaning routine. It's not a deep cleaning video, but it's a weekly cleaning routine. And yeah, my kitchen is all clean, so I don't need to clean that now or today, whatever you call it, because it's my habit to clean the kitchen after having dinner, so that whenever I wake up the next morning, my kitchen will be all clean and fresh, and it feels good. Believe me. So kitchen is all clean. I need to clean the living room. Basically the living room, bedroom are all clean, but I need to do the vacuum, all the carpets, and I need to wipe down our dining area. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I also need to do the bathrooms and these windows. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, this video will be all about cleaning video. If you like to watch cleaning videos, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my living room, as it's not that big of a mess, but after a long weekend it's not that clean as well. So I'm going to start with my living room, straight down all the pillows and wipe down the coffee table, and I'm also going to vacuum the carpet. So yeah. Now I'm going to clean the TV cabinets and the TV as well, using the electronic cleaning solution. Now I'm going to wipe down my dining table and all the decors.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body.
So now I'm going to clean the windows, as here in South Carolina, it rains a lot, and as it rains, it gets molds easily on the corner of the windows. So I have to clean the windows quite often. And yeah, I have two windows in each room, six of total. So I'm going to do that now.
Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call. Yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons. Babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons. Babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it 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 for the love.
Now I'm going to clean the guest room, as now we don't sleep in here. I sometimes tend to forget to clean this room, but I know that's a bad thing. But anyways, I'm going to clean this room now. I'm just wiping down the headboard, the side tables and the windows, and I'm going to straighten the bed and all. So yeah. Now I'm going to vacuum the whole house, starting with my living room. Now I'm going to clean the bathrooms, starting with our master bathroom. I'm also going to clean our guest bathroom as well. So I'm just cleaning the sinks, and I'm going to wipe down the vanity top, and I also need to clean the floor, that is broom, first, and then I'll mop. So yeah.
Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 I'm in it for the love.
So yeah guys, that is all from my today's video. I hope you guys will get some motivation to clean your house as well. I hope you liked it as well. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know you liked it. And yeah, please do share it with your family and friends. And if you love to watch my videos and still didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will get a notification. I'm going to see you guys with the next video real soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye guys.